Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Fit, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button, then press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu. And here we can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face we like, and tap on it to apply it. For example, this one, just tap on it. As you can see, the watch face changed. We can also customize some of the watch faces. So let's open the watch face menu again. And under some watch faces, we have this settings icon. We can tap on it. And here basically we can change the widgets on the watch face. We can tap on one. And here we have a list of widgets we can use. For example, let's select weather. Below we have another one. Let's select battery. And here we have steps. Let's change it for stress, for example. And once you're done, simply press the side button to apply the changes to your watch face. You can also change the watch face by using the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. And on the phone, let's open the HUAWEI Health App. In the app, let's tap on Devices. Select our watch from the list, HUAWEI Watch Fit. Here we have watch faces category, as you can see. Tap on More, right here. Then tap on Mine. And right here we have list of watch faces installed on our watch. And we can simply tap on one and then tap on Set as Default to apply it on our watch. Let's change it again, for example, to this one, like that. And that's how you change the watch face on the device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.